At a certain pH, amino acids do not migrate towards any electrode, and this is called the isoelectric point of the amino acids. Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Otanu Betal. In this video lecture, we discuss about the isoelectric point of alpha amino acids. Okay, so watch this discussion up to the end to understand this topic. This topic is collected from the biomolecules chapter and amino acid part. This topic is collected isoelectric point of amino acids or alpha amino acids. Okay, we start the discussion regarding this topic, and before starting I would like to remind you that if you watching this channel first time or you do not subscribe this channel, then subscribe it right now and press the bell button to get the new video upload notifications. Right now we start the discussion regarding this topic, and the first we have to know that this is the amino acid molecule, and you know in amino acid molecule both the group means one acid group, carboxylic acid group, and another one amine group, both are present in an amino acid molecule. Amino acid molecule have two functional groups, one is amine and another is carboxylic acid. Amino group and carboxylic acid group both are present in the same molecule, but amino acids are amphoteric in nature. They present in the deuterion structure. Simple amino acid means R, C, NH2, hydrogen and COOH. This is the alpha amino acid in simple form, and we are seeing in general form the alpha amino acid molecules have alpha position occupied by an amine group, and therefore this is called alpha amino acids. Okay, and for alpha amino acids this deuterion is formed. Deuterion is formed by receiving one H plus by the amino group and losing one H plus from the carboxylic acid group. So in the amino acid molecules are exist in dipolar form or deuterion form, and in acid solution this one is in acid solution. Okay, when the amino acid taken in acidic solution or acid solution, that time this O minus is neutralized and OH is formed. And in the and in acid solution this amino acid molecules representing a positive charge ion or cation. Okay, so amino acid in acidic solution means where H plus present, that time amino acid which is exist in the deuterionic form is changed into a positive charge ion or cation. Okay, similarly if we talk about in basic solution, in basic solution means OH minus present, basic solution. In basic solution where OH minus present, that time this NH3 or ammonium substituent changes to NH2 and here COO minus present. Okay, that time it's become a negative ion. Okay, so amino acid in basic solution, this is in basic solution or basic medium, changes to a negative charge ion. Okay, because the changing of the NH4 plus or NH3 plus, this plus ion NH3 plus ion changes, or ammonium substituent changes to the NH2, and the COO minus changes to COO minus is in COO minus form. So in basic solution amino acid forms a negative ion or it's an anion. In basic solution amino acid exists in the negative form, negative ionic form. So at first we see that behavior of amino acid in acidic and basic solution. Okay, amino acid where both the groups means amino group and carboxylic acid group both are present together. So in amino acids are amphoteric in nature. Amino acid can react with an acid or a base to form salt. Okay, so and different nature of ions in their aqueous solution, sorry, in acidic and basic solution. Amino acid in acidic solution, amino acid in basic solution, we see here in basic solution is the ion amino acid exists as negative ion. So uh, after thinking this point means amino acids exist as cation and anion in the different solutions in acidic and basic solutions. In basic solution it exists as negative charge ion or anion, and in acidic solution it exists as cation. So from this point of view, there is a certain pH, at certain pH at which amino acid molecules is neutral, means no positive charge, no negative charge present in the amino acid molecule. So there is a certain pH at which amino acid becomes neutral and there no charge, means positive negative charge no, means that time amino acid do not migrate towards any electrode. At a certain pH, amino acid molecules do not migrate towards any electrode, means cathode and anode. When amino acid molecule is a negative charge ion, that time we know that anion migrates towards anode. During electrolysis, anion migrates towards anode. So in basic solution of amino acid, as we know, the basic solution of amino acid is negative negative ion present, amino acid present as negative ion. So in basic solution, amino acid molecule should migrate towards the anode, because anion migrates towards anode and cation migrates towards cathode. But there is a certain pH at which amino acid molecules do not migrate towards any electrode, I mean towards cathode and towards anode, and that is called the isoelectric point of the amino acid. And all amino acids do not have the same isoelectric points. Some isoelectric point or pH at which the isoelectric point of amino acid belongs to, like neutral amino acid. For the case of neutral amino acid, where one amino group and one carboxylic acid group present, that time at pH 5.5 to 6.3 its isoelectric point present, and isoelectric point of acidic amino acid is at pH 3, and basic amino acid at pH 7.6 to 10.8. In this range the isoelectric point of basic amino acid belongs. Basic amino acid means where amine group is more than the acid group, and acidic amino acid means where acid group is more present, means two acid group present and one basic or amino group present. So this is the range of pH at which amino acid shows the isoelectric point. Okay, isoelectric point means, so if we again give the definition of isoelectric point, isoelectric point is the certain pH at which amino acid molecules exist as neutral, and at this pH amino acid molecules do not migrate toward any electrode, means cathode or anode. As we know that amino acid becomes cation and anion in the acidic and basic solution. So there is a certain pH at which amino acid molecules do not migrate towards any electrode, is called the isoelectric point of the amino acids. Okay, so that's the definition of alpha amino acid. Next is acidic basic solution amino acid. Different ions exist, means negative ion in basic medium and positive ion in acidic medium, and there is a certain pH range at which amino acid shows the neutral amino acid shows isoelectric point, and isoelectric point of acidic amino acid, isoelectric point of basic amino acid is in this pH range. And now the question is where we use this isoelectric point concept. Isoelectric point means the point when amino acid is neutral, means no charge present in the amino acid molecule. So amino acid molecule solubility is least in the time of isoelectric point, and based on this property it is utilized to separate the different amino acids molecules that are obtained from the hydrolysis of the protein. So that's the use of isoelectric point of amino acids. So in this video lecture we discuss about the what is isoelectric point of amino acids, nature of amino acids means cation or anion in acidic or basic solution, and the pH at which isoelectric point present for the neutral amino acid, acidic amino acid and basic amino acids. So and at last what is the utilization where we utilize this concept of isoelectric point of alpha amino acids. Okay, so that's the topic I wanted to discuss in this video lecture. I think you understand all the points that I discussed in this video lecture. This video lecture is from the biomolecules chapter and amino acid part. So if you have any problem still from this video lecture, then you can ask me in the comment section below. That's the discussion regarding this topic. I think you understand well. Thank you for watching this discussion. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell button to get the new video upload notifications.